Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase Wallet to buy crypto. Open the app, choose Wallet, and follow the prompts to create or import an account. Enable biometric unlock for convenience and set a strong passcode. Write down your recovery phrase on paper and store it safely. Link a payment method or transfer funds from another wallet to prepare for buying tokens and paying network fees. To fund your Coinbase wallet, first copy your wallet address and paste it into the sending app or exchange. If using a bank or card, follow on-screen steps to authorize the payment and expect a short processing time. Always confirm the correct network to avoid losing funds and check estimated gas fees before sending. Keep evidence of transactions until they appear in your wallet and clear on the blockchain. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for busy crypto users who want a cleaner home with less effort, offering voice control and smart mapping that pairs well with a busy schedule. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Start by selecting the token you want to buy and review the live price and slippage tolerance. Enter the amount in dollars or token units and confirm the total cost including fees. Approve the transaction in your wallet and wait for blockchain confirmation before closing the app. For swaps, review routes and expected minimum received. If anything looks off, cancel and double-check addresses and network settings before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.